Alright, what's up guys? This is a cool new feature of C64 OS that I just added that I wanted to show you. So I'm in App Launcher and I'm going to quit to basic. Now I'm using an REU and I have fast rebooting enabled. So we can see here that how about the ready prompt? I can list a directory. And I have a program here like 10print. So we can load that, and it's the famous 10print program. And we can hit the stop key to stop the program. Now most people know that if you hold the stop key and you push the restore key, that clears the screen and it resets basic and resets the colors back to their defaults. The program is still in memory. Now, along the same theme as holding the stop key and pushing restore, now if we hold the control key and push restore, it does a soft reboot and it auto boots C64 OS, and because of fast rebooting, boom, we're back in the operating system. So let's try that again. I'm going to quit to basic. This time, just for fun, I will say try poke 53281,0, so you can see that we can change our colors like this. This time I'm going to run 10print, and while the program is still running, I can hold the control key, hit restore. It's going to do a soft reboot. Colors are restored. Does an auto reboot. Does a fast reboot. And boom, we're back in the operating system. And I think that is pretty cool. It actually makes it a lot easier to get back into the operating system so that you can kind of drop to the ready prompt and use it just like it was a command line. And then with just two keys pressed, 2-key combo, boom, you're back in the operating system. Pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.